got my dad. Ooh, busy. God damn. It's busy today. It's busy today. Old Navy skirt. 2 Old Navy skirts. I don't want the white one though. No white one for me. Where should I start? Start and close. Gotta find. It's gonna be a lot harder to find stuff. What is this? Ooh, LLB. That's a nice pants. And that's nice right here. It's heavy though. That's nice. Okay. Let's start right here. Nike. Okay. This is a good little start. What is this? This looks nice also. Newport News? I'll take it because of the color. Look at this. Take it because of the style and color. Ooh, Cordell Stewart. Come on. That's not Cordell Stewart. I'm taking this. Oh man, I'm a little bit late to the shoe section. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh man, that was a zoo. I think I did okay. I got some mismatched stuff. I was late. I'm late on both sides. What a mess. Are these for someone on the floor?
I have no idea.
I have no idea too.
Take them, Thane. Take them. Just looking at it.
Maybe I have no idea. Excuse me. I don't want to take people's stuff. I had the other one of that. Do you have? Okay. Thank you. I don't know. Maybe it all fell overboard. Let me grab this. This is no. I'm all set. Get out of people's way. Oh, that was pretty crazy. That was crazy. I think I made out okay. Nice. I am so discombobulated. My bag is full. Look at this. Bag is full. I got a lot of mismatched items. A lot of these are mismatched. Alright, so I gotta go back over there. What is this? I mean, don't know the team. Looks clean. Taking the jersey. Debo. I'll pass on this one. Soccer shirt. I'm taking it. This might be another one with the same shirt. Nope. Hollister shorts. They'll sell in the summertime. Okay, so you're getting the stuff.
Somebody dropped some Uggs over there. I'm like, why?
Oh, nice.
Why would you drop those?
Oh, there's some sneakers here.
Yeah, there's some shoes scattered in here. I don't know if I call it a
Yeah, it's the match. If it's my size. Oh, it's my size. I'm taking these. These are what I wear.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, this is the black version. I'm taking these for myself. I'll take the Columbias. Go ahead, take them then. Somebody left a pair of Nautica boots. These are nice. Oh, found them. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, sir. Somebody's dropping off boots over here. I'm gonna stay here for a little bit. See? There's shoes over here. That's cool. My daughter might want this. Wranglers, big old Wranglers. I mean, I'm finding a lot of shorts. St. John's Bay. That cream. I'm taking them.
Fraternity sweatshirts here.
Fraternity?
Yeah, there's like different fraternities on me now. It's really weird. And some swimsuit stuff, like ski gear, scuba gear or something.
Okay, let's keep moving. I'm taking these pants, Dockers. This is all somebody's wardrobe. Resell. Sometimes you're lucky. This shoe section. Over here. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. This is like kid stuff. Oh, man. Okay. Keep looking, keep ripping up bags. Because a lot of the stuff are good and concentrated. But I gotta go check. Shoe check is not worth it. Nope, let me get this one. So, boots. You know what this is? the other side. Let me go by. Let me go by. Let me go by. Let me go by to this side. Okay.